Hey guys, another day, another adventure, and of course I continue to show my family around Jamaica. We're heading to Negril today, and on the way we stop by the Tryall Water Wheel, and today it's actually turning. So the water is flowing through that channel. It comes from a river and it's turning the wheel. This is the first time I've seen it turn up close. I passed by and I saw it turning already, but we had to stop and take it in. It's amazing that after all this time this wheel is still working. What do you think, big man? Imagine a little bit of water turning this wheel. We've checked out the water wheel and now we continue our trip to Negril. Through the trees. We continue our drive up Negril and we stop off in Bulls Bay. We won't be taking a bath here, we just stop to take in the scenery. Alright. Big man, what do you think of the scenery in the back there? It's good, you want to jump in?
Yeah.
I'll climb down a little bit to the edge of the rocks. I mean, check that water out. Amazing. We're finally here in Negril. We're on the 7 Mile Beach. We pulled into, I think it's a newish restaurant bar facility called Island Locks. It's really nice. We had a good lunch there and now we're just gonna enjoy the beach a little bit. It's a bit overcast, but the water is still very nice. So it should still be pretty good. I had the camera in my hand! Alright. So, you guys enjoying the grill so far?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Look how nice that water is. Alright, so we're gonna we're gonna go to the attractions out there and have some fun. Ready, Vanny?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
You ready, son?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks. So we're all jacketed up and we're ready to get on the jump equipment over there. It should be pretty good. We're wrapping up here in Island Locks on Negril, where we did a lot of that obstacle course out in the water. They were so tired. How was it, boss?
Good.
It was really good. Alright, so we're wrapping up, we're going to head home.